This is the Blade MCX helicopter, piloted by Gunner.
Yeah, it's really cool because I just gotta get the hang of it. That's the thing. We're gonna go read over the thing. It's really cool because you never want to mess with the button because it could get messed up sometimes. You just want to push these two, and if you get this set, if you get this thing, it's really cool because it comes in like that, and it's really cool. So you see. The thing lights up, and it's really cool. Really cool. You never want to touch them because the blades these get messed up, and they go and it goes like this, and it turns and twists and do stuff like that. And so we're gonna give it a test, see if it doesn't turn or squish or die or anything.
Perfect landing.
It is so cool. We did a fast landing there. It was really cool. So this helicopter is really cool because it has landing gear. And I think it's the best helicopter in the hobby store. So it's the coolest helicopter ever. Almost ever invented. So, it's a very cool helicopter. So you might want to get it. You might not. It's really expensive. Like it was 70. Like how much?
79.
$79. So it's really hard. So you might want to buy it if you are so rich. You could buy this thing. I bought it with my own money because I'm rich. So let's get another test run. You also get a kind of card to get pieces. If this thing breaks, you can get new pieces.